Hey everybody, I'm back and I am going to paint and decorate this little bunny butt that I got from Auntie Cuckoo with all my other goodies that she gifted me last year. If you remember that and you saw my haul, I had, 3 boxes from Michael's of different things, and this is one of them, and this is going to go into an area of my house, and you'll see it when I do my home tour. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to just take this basic, the titanium white from Hobby Lobby. It's a thicker paint. I'm going to paint the whole thing white, and then I'm going to come back and check the feet. Okay, so I put the checks on the feet, and I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this yarn from Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to put it on the body, I think. So I dimensionalize it, but I want to get the feet done first, okay? Okay, so okay, let's do some checks. Okay, let's put some top coat on it. Okay, so this is done, the painting, and what I'm using is the Fur with Love from Hobby Lobby. It's $9.99. I get it when it's 30% off. But look, it's thick, it's pretty, and it's fluffy, and it looks like a bunny to me. So we're going to glue this on so I don't have to worry about filling the holes, because I knew that I was going to put this fur on, okay? And I think I'll start let's see if I go around here. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. But I'll come back as I'm getting closer to finishing the fur. I think these are so cute. Thank you again, Val, for all my goodies that you gave me before you left me and moved to Texas. I'm teasing. I'm glad that you're happy. Sad for me, happy for you. Okay, then I'm just going to keep following this. I'm using my low temp glue gun right now. So I'm just going to keep following all the way up until I have it. And I'll keep the fur. You see how cute that is? Okay guys, so I put the yarn, and now I took a half of a styrofoam ball and I wrapped some of the fur, and I'm going to put this so the tail is larger. Look how cute. And you'll see where I'm going to put this for my Easter decor. Okay guys, one more thing. I'm going to put a little bit of Mod Podge on the feet, and I'm going to put a little bit of diamond dust. Okay? Diamond dust is so pretty. Can you see the shine? I don't know if you can or not. If I turn it just a certain way, you might be able to see it. Still got to glue the bunny tail on. Okay guys, what I got to do, because I was looking at it and the feet are getting lost in the fur, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this black pipe cleaner, and I'm going to take hot glue, and I'm going to glue it down next to the wood, you know, further down, and then it'll kind of separate that fur a little bit, if you will, to give this foot more of a definition. Okay? Okay, I want to show you the difference. See, when I put the pipe cleaner in, because when you outline something, it defines it more and it brings it in. There's a depth to it, and you can see that more, that it's a little pad, right? Where here you lose it in all the fur. So that's why I did that. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other one and put the tail on, and then I'll be back. Okay guys, look. I like it a lot better that way. Right now I'm embellishing. I love to embellish. So I have a little bee that I... and put a couple little leaves with a bow. I think I'm going to put an egg right here. The embellishings, to me that is really fun. The embellishing is what's fun to me. And we just want to make this whimsical, right? So that's why I'm adding all these little things to it. Then I think I'm going to take a couple of these and put on it as well. One of the bows, one of the flowers back there. Okay guys, I think that's going to be it. Thank you for staying with me and going through the process with me. I just wanted to get closer so you can see it better. See, now you can see the shine from the diamond dust. Look how cute. Look at that. Okay, that's Polly drinking her water. And then look at the bow with the bees. And guys, I made these bees. I made a video of that too. But isn't that cute? Okay, and look at the little feet. Look at the little bee I put on there. I like what the pipe cleaner did, and I also like the way that this little bee looks there on her little butt. And then there's a little Easter egg. This isn't where it's going. I just wanted to be able to show you closer. But you'll see it in my house tour. Guys, until we get together again, remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. There's only one you, and you bring something to this world nobody else can. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.